So why would I use the smoothing nozzle over a concentrator?
The smoothing nozzle would be for a look that you'd have to be more natural, that you wouldn't want to use a brush with. And you maybe wouldn't have time to use a brush with because it diffuses the air. Instead of just blasting it, what we call rough dry, it doesn't need to be rough.
And the fact that you're not using a hairbrush either, you're just using your fingers?
With this particular nozzle, the smoothing nozzle, it's so much more relaxed, so much calmer, and it's not like a race to get the style in before it's dry. There's far less flyaway short hairs springing up. So it's controlling that airflow and keep a smoother finish.
We've deliberately engineered it to reduce the amount of velocity of airflow so it doesn't blast the hair around.
When I see people drying their own hair, they're often drying into the hair. If you blast into there, you can see there's like a disbursement of hair. In effect, what you've done is you've driven them all crazy and pushed them all over the place. The smoothing nozzle caresses that whole area and works it for you rather than just blasts it. Okay? And if you work down along the hair shaft, it holds that area smooth. You try it.
Do you want to try that?
Yeah. Hold it high. That's it.
Yeah,
Keep
it doesn't feel
here.
as heavy.
That's it. Now use your hand. And you're done. Just run along the hair.
Yeah, that feels a lot more controlled.
Yeah, look, I mean, you're not having to deal with the chaos.
Yeah, this is how I normally use my hairdryer.
Yeah.
So I'll do it like this.
Those ends are really nice and smooth.
It feels different. It feels different to how I normally dry my hair in the mornings.
I've got to say, guys, that's worked really well.